How to add credit card payment in Ecwid store. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit card payment in Ecwid store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Ecwid, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Ecwid, it is a versatile e-commerce platform designed to integrate seamlessly with existing websites, allowing users to add an online store without the need for extensive coding or complete site overhaul, in which the platform also offers a range of features suitable for both physical and digital products, including the ability to sell files up to 25 gig and manage subscriptions through various payment gateways. And one of the Ecwid's standout features is its flexibility. It can be embedded into numerous website builders such as WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, enabling merchants to maintain their existing site designed while adding e-commerce functionality. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started for free on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page, and you can simply log in using your first name, email address, and password, or you can sign up using your Apple ID, Facebook, and even Google account in here. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page, and all you need to do is to simply fill out all of this required information and click the next button. And you also need to enter here your company address. Then from here, just simply answer all of their questions, such as do you already have experience selling, what type of products will you be selling, and are you setting up store for someone else. After answering all of these questions, just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. And from here, just simply answer the question, do you already have a website? And after filling out this required information, just click the next button to proceed to the next step. So from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the right plan for you. We have here Venture, Business, and Unlimited plan, but just click the Start with Free button below here if you don't want any of this plan. Then you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Ecwid platform. And it will show you in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, including dashboard, marketing, reports, catalog, and many more. Now under this dashboard, it will show you how you can set up your shop on Ecwid. But since we're here to add a credit card payment in Ecwid store, on the left side panel, just simply go to the payment option right here. So kind of click on it, and after that, you'll now be able to see here on the right side panel the current payment methods, which is pay with cash or the manual payment. And if you click this action and edit option right here, you'll now be able to be directed in here, and you can start customizing some of the info about this pay by cash, in which you can disable this part if you want to, or alternatively, you could also change the name of this pay by cash. But I'm going to keep it that way. And below here, you could also add here a payment instruction for customers, or add an instruction if completing the purchase using this payment method, in which if they are required to take additional actions outside of your store's checkout. And from here, it will show you on the top panel some of the options, including to insert image, video, link, table, color, and many more. From here, you could also add a payment method fee, but you also need to have an upgrade account in order to do so. So you can simply choose to any of this plan to do so. Now again, going back on this page right here, below here you could also add or to limit the availability of the shipping method or the payment method availability based on shipping choice. From here you can specify the shipping methods for which this payment will be applied. Now going back in here to set up the credit payment in here, it will show you that we can simply add or connect a PayPal account in which credit and debit cards are also included on this part. But below here, you could also choose these more options to accept online payment in your country. So you can simply choose in here different kind of option from the list to accept most commonly used payment options in your country. It is also included the credit and debit cards. So basically, that is also one way on how we can start connecting or adding a credit card payment in Ecwid store. Moving on the top panel, you could also set up the manual payment methods. And those methods including cash on delivery, bank transfers, invoice, purchase orders, and checks in here. So by clicking this add manual payment method right here, you'll be directed on this page, so you can simply enter the name of this payment method and the description of it or instruction of it to customer. So again, to simply add the credit payments, you could also use these other ways to get paid, in which by clicking the button choose payment processor, you should see here some of the list of payment alternatives to choose from, and most of them applied the credit payments in this Ecwid store. So as you can see, there are 140 list providers to accept credit and debit cards, PayPal, and other online payment options. For example, using the Stripe, You could also accept credit and debit cards or those kind of payments in this Stripe. All you need to do is to simply link your Stripe account in here. And to do that, kindly click disconnect and enable button right here. And upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page right here. So all you need to do is to simply enter your email address on your Stripe account and click submit and just simply enter your password, and after that, you'll now be able to link your Stripe account on this Ecwid store. However, in here, it will show you some of the fee that they offer in using this kind of payment methods. But this is also one of the methods that we can use to apply credit payments. And also aside from Stripe, below here you could also connect your PayPal account in here, which is a popular and secure way to accept payments and others. PayPal is available in more than 200 countries and regions and support more than 20 currencies in which it accepts payments with one of the world's most familiar payment system. Offer a one-click checkout for seamless shopping experience. And as you can see, it also connected the MasterCard, Visa, and other credit and debit cards on checkout. So this is basically one of the alternative ways on how we can start adding the credit payments in our Ecwid store. And by clicking this Connect PayPal button right here, we'll automatically be directed on this sign up or login option of PayPal. And all you need to do is to simply enter your email address and password and also choose either personal or business account. So after choosing in here, it will automatically connecting your PayPal account to this Ecwid store. And it will automatically add as your credit payments on your Ecwid store in here after connecting the PayPal account. So basically, to add a credit payments, just simply choose a payment processor that supports credit card payments such as Stripe, PayPal, or Square. And after connecting it, it will automatically apply the credit card payments. But you also need to make sure to authorize the connection to link all of your account in here. And after configuring the payment settings, you can now start customizing the settings such as the display name for the payment method and then a specific instruction for the customers during checkout. And you could also test your setup. After setting up, it is advisable to run a test order to ensure that everything functions as expected. So basically in here, by integrating this payments processor, your customer will be able to pay using their credit or debit cards directly on your checkout page, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing conversion rates. So for instance, under these payment alternatives, we're going to choose this IP88 account details. So from here, all you need to do is to simply enter your merchant code and your merchant key and also select this credit or debit card in here. And you could also set a payment instruction at checkout if you want to, and even limit availability by shipping method in here again. Now going back on this page, as you can see in here, there are alternative ways on how we can start connecting some of the payment methods that is offered with credit or debit cards payments. So all we need to do is to simply connect our accounts in here to authorize, and it will automatically apply the credit card payments in our Ecwid store in here. So overall, that is just basically how you can add credit card payment in Ecwid store. Thank you.